Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to restart your device without using the power button. So using the power button, you already know how to restart. For this, tap on volume up button and the lock button. You can see the window for restart, power off and emergency. So let me show you how to restart your device without using the power button. So we can do this one using the accessibility shortcut menu. So here you can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. First, we need to enable this option. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on accessibility, then again scroll down, accessibility menu, we need to turn on this option. Okay, so let me show you how to restart the device without using the power button. For this, open the accessibility menu. Then in this window you will get lots of shortcuts. You can see here. So here you can see the option power. Tap on this one. So the same window you can see here. To restart the device, tap on the option restart. You can see it is restarting. Now just wait for a few seconds. The device will restart. Okay. Yeah, successfully the device is restarted. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.